Om Shri Sai Ram. In the last session, we solved 4 and 5 mark questions from this chapter, and in this session also we are going to do some more problems of 4 and 5 mark questions. See, in this chapter we can expect only 4 mark question, that too in part E of your question paper. So, we will solve some more problems on this, and the 14th problem is: a person is at the top of the tower 75 feet high. From there he observes a vertical pole and finds an angle of depression of the top and bottom of the pole, which are 30 and 60 degree respectively. So, with this we can find what is the height of the pole. Here this is the diagram according to the problem they have given. So, here I will take DC and AE, what is that? The pole, okay. And what is the tower here is AB is, I will take it as tower, and I wanted to find H, that is the height of the pole. So, I will take this as a pole. So, now I am going to define tan 60 degree from the triangle BAC. From the triangle BAC, I can define tan 60 degree. So, tan 60 degree is, see, BAC. So, opposite side is 75 and adjacent side is AC. Okay. So, here what is tan 60 degree is root 3 equal to 75 divided by AC. And what is AC? So, what is AC? So, AC is 75 divided by root 3, I can call it as equation 1, and similarly I will define the tan 30 degree from the triangle BED. So, what is tan 30 degree is equal to, opposite side is this distance is, total distance is 75 and this distance is h, then obviously this distance will be 75 minus h. So, the opposite side is 75 minus h divided by, and what is the adjacent side is that is ED. Okay. ED and AC both are same. So, what is tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to 75 minus h divided by ED. Okay. So, what is ED from this is ED is equal to 75 minus h divided by, so, into, so, ED 75 minus h cross multiplication into root 3, you can call it as 2. Now, you can observe, since from the figure I can write AC is equal to what? ED. So, I can equate from 1 and 2, that is 75 by root 3 is equal to 75 minus h into root 3. So, now you do cross multiplication, will get 75 by 3 is equal to 75 minus h. So, this implies, so now what happened to this one is 75 divided by 3 is equal to 75 minus h. I will take this here. So, it will become plus, and you send this that to another side, it will be h is equal to 75 minus 75 divided by 3. So, what is this? So, h is equal to, if you take 75, 1 minus 1 by 3. So, you can continue. So, what is this? H is equal to 75, what is this? 3 minus 1 divided by 3. So, what is h is equal to 75 into 2 divided by 3. 75 into 2 is how much? 150 divided by 3. So, 3 ones are 3 5s means 350s. So, then what is h now? H is equal to 50. Therefore, the height of the building is h is equal to 50 meter. This is what we need to find in this problem. See, the problem is this. So, here we have to find what is the height of the cliff, which is actually similar to the previous problems, is about angle of depression. So, from this we can find what is the height of the cliff. So, from this triangle DCB, I can define that tan 30 degree is equal to h by the adjacent, that is BC. What is BC? H by x plus 100. So, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. We supposed to find what is h. So, now from this I can write h as cross multiplication x plus 100 divided by root 3, I can call it as 1, and again from triangle DCA, what is tan 45 degree is h by x, since this distance is x. So, tan 45 is 1. So, h by x, this implies h is equal to x. Now, you can use this in 1. So, you can substitute this in 1. So, 1 becomes h is equal to h plus 100 divided by root 3. This implies h root 3 is equal to h plus 100. So, what is this? H root 3 minus 1 is equal to 100. So, therefore, h is equal to what? 100 divided by root 3 minus 1 meters. Therefore, the height of the cliff, is what is that? 100 divided by root 3 minus 1 meters. So, this is how we can find the height of the cliff. Next problem. So, in this problem we have two towers of different heights, and we have to find the distance between these two towers by using the concept of angle of elevation. So, from this we need to find x plus y, that gives the distance between these two poles. See, now from this I can define tan 60 degree from the triangle ABC. So, tan 60 degree is equal to 25 divided by opposite by adjacent. What is adjacent here? X. So, what is tan 60 degree? Root 3 is equal to 25 by x. Now, from this x is equal to 25 by root 3. So, call it as 1. Similarly, you can find y from this. According to the problem, we have drawn the figure. Okay. So, from this from the triangle ABC, I can define tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to 25 divided by that is opposite by adjacent, which is x. What is tan 60 degree? Root 3, 25 by x. Now, what is x from this? X is equal to 25 by root 3, you can call it as 1. Similarly, you can define tan 45 degree from the triangle DCE. So, what is that? Tan 45 degree is equal to, opposite is 14 meters. Okay. So, that is 14, opposite by adjacent is y. So, here we know that tan 45 degree is 1. So, that is 14 by y. So, this implies y is equal to 14. So, now from 1 and 2 we actually find the distance between these two towers, that is x plus y is equal to 25 by root 3 plus 14 meters. This is what we need to find. Next problem. See, the problem is the angle of elevation of a tower from a point on the ground is 30 degree, that is what is shown, and point on the horizontal line passing through foot of the tower and 100 meters nearer to it, then the angle of elevation is found to be 60 degree. With this we can find the height of the tower. So, the figure is, according to the given problem is, the figure is this. So, here we have to find what is the actual height of the tower. Here DC denotes the height of the tower, and From this we can find what is the height of the tower. DC is the tower, that is what we need to find. So, now from the triangle DCA, so I can define tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to, opposite side is h and the adjacent side is what? X plus 100. So, what is tan 30 degree? Root 3 is equal to h by x plus 100. So, now what is h from here is you do cross multiplication, that is x plus 100 divided by root 3, call it as 1. Similarly, you define tan 60 degree from the triangle DCB. So, tan 60 degree is equal to, the opposite side is h and adjacent side is x. So, what is tan 60 degree is root 3 is equal to h by x. From this also I can write what is h. H is equal to what? X into root 3, or we can write h is equal to root 3 into x, or better you write down this as for x, since we have to find h. So, you better write for x. So, what is x now? X is h by root 3. So, now you can make use of this one in the equation 1, you can use this in 1, we get h is equal to h by root 3 plus what? 100 divided by root 3. Do cross multiplication. So, we will get root 3 h is equal to h by root 3 plus 100. So, take this to LHS side. So, root 3 h minus h by root 3 is equal to 100. So, h into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 100. So, take LCM and simplify. So, 3 minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 100. So, 2 by root 3 is equal to 100. So, 2 ones are 250s are. So, what is h now? 50 times root 3 meter. So, now we got what is the height of the tower is 50 times root 3 meter. Okay. And one assignment question is that you solve it, and this completes the chapter heights and distances. In the next session we are going to start the trigonometry. Till then, Sairam.